Hey guys, some of you are wondering what the heck happened yesterday with the 200 basis points improvement to rates, which is equivalent to about 0.5% in interest rates on the 30-year fix. And what happened was the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index, came out better than expected at 7.7. So I think the rates are compressing, the banks are compressing because lending fear is lessening. So people aren't, with lower interest rates, people are not as afraid to borrow. So probably over the next few weeks, we might see an uptick in activity of buying. And as far as the stock market goes, well, that's a tough one to say. I think the stock market does not like uncertainty, and I don't think we're out of the woods with all the earnings coming out in tech and Facebook laying off 11,000 and Twitter laying off and Twitter potentially filing bankruptcy. That could be for other purposes. I'm not sure what's going on there. But my specialty is homes, and so when I see 1% reduction in rate, which we got 0.5%, that improves buying power by 10%, which also creates competition because more people can afford it. So therefore, I think in the next couple of weeks we might see a lot more activity in the short term. I don't know what's to come in the long term, because I do feel like the Feds are going to continue raising rates. I don't know if it's going to be 75 basis points or 50 next time around, but they still need to get it under control. 7.7 is way too high. So if you have a 1% rise in interest rates, that diminishes buying power by 10%, right? 10%. That doesn't necessarily drop home prices by 10%, but it definitely diminishes buying power. Now, inversely, if rates drop 1%, well, prices usually rise and purchasing power goes up by 10%. So keep that in mind here in the next few weeks. I'm starting to see homes in the 200s now. I saw one on 35th Avenue in Thunderbird listed at $295. It was in decent shape. Hadn't been remodeled, but it was in decent shape. It looked livable, and it was $295. So here we are going to start seeing homes in the 200s, and you can kind of guess what kind of homes those are: 1960s, 1970s, or 80s. Slump block 1,500, 1,800 square foot homes that probably need some work, but hey, for entry-level home buyers, that is amazing. So hey, just keep watching. I don't think we're out of the woods. I think we got another 10% to go. There's a reason why Redfin got out of the iBuying business this week. They announced and they're doing layoffs of like 13% more of their staff, which recently they laid off a little less than 10% of their staff. And to add in Facebook, and Twitter, there's a lot of layoffs going on, and we have yet to see the effects of the layoffs on the housing market. So just keep your eye, be patient, keep your eye on the market, be patient, and your day will come where you will be able to afford a home once again, I hope. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.